There we go. All right. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is MC Squareroot. I am here from Dallas, Texas. I am on tour with the indomitable Richard Haskins, who will be performing later this evening. Thank you for having us. This should be fun.
Hello, class. Your regular teacher, Mr. Fee, is out sick today. Please direct your attention to the front and welcome your substitute, MC Squareroot.
They have interior angles, some to 360 degrees. They have 4 sides and 4 vertices. We call this polygon a quadrilateral. There are some special types that are compatible. A square has equal sides and every angle is right. Opposite sides are parallel, equals height. Sometimes the sides are equal, sometimes there is no pair. Squares are quadrilateral, quadrilateral's not a square. Sometimes the sides are equal, sometimes there is no pair. Squares are quadrilateral, quadrilateral's not a square. Rectangles, opposite sides, congruent parallel. 4 corners measure at 90 degrees each themselves. Sometimes it is included, sometimes it isn't there. A square is a rectangle, rectangle's not a square. Sometimes it is included, sometimes it isn't there. A square is a rectangle, rectangle's not a square. A rhombus is a shape where all sides have equal length. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles the same strength. Sometimes it is a diamond, sometimes it isn't there. A square is a rhombus, but a rhombus ain't a square. Shine bright like a diamond, girlfriend's friend is always there. A square is a rhombus, but a rhombus ain't a square. A polygon's opposite sides, congruent and parallel. A parallelogram facing angles are equal. Slanted, sometimes it makes it square. A square's a parallelogram, parallelogram's not a square. Sometimes it makes it slanted, sometimes it makes you square. A square, parallelogram, parallelogram's not a square. If adjacent sides are equal, the diagonals left and right. Fight on a windy day with a shape that's called a kite. Sometimes you take it outside, sometimes the weather's fair. A square is a kite, but a kite is not a square. Sometimes you take it outside, sometimes the weather's fair. A square is a kite, but a kite is not a square. One set of sides are parallel. Combine the trapezoid, space is mean, sides are height. The area can't avoid. Sometimes it is a table, sometimes it is a chair. A square is a chocolate, trapezoid is not a square. Sometimes it is a table, sometimes it is a chair. A square is a chocolate, trapezoid is not a square. Quadrilaterals, where rectangle roll by. Parallelograms, trapezoids, guys fly. Now that we've reviewed the shape with 4 sides, the nerdy polygon comprehension I supply. Thank you. It's kind of appropriate. I'm performing right across the street from the high school. If an algebraic expression is equal to each other, it's called an equation, can be solved to uncover volume of the variable currently unknown. The algebraic process discovers what is shown. First step is to ask, can you distribute a parentheses? Then you multiply through. The next step involves combining like terms. See variable and exponent and subtract to confirm. As we simplify the terms on each side, we collect the variables using inverse operi. Whichever side we choose for the variables to move, we gather all the constants to the other side to prove. The final step we do simply involves multiply, divide, coefficients to solve the value of the variable previously unknown. The algebraic concept discovers what is shown. Sometimes when you solve, you'll get a special case when the variables cancel out, inversely not erased. If you end up with only constants existing on each side, it's always true or never true. Solving equations, linear equations. Solving equations. Solving equations, linear equations. Equations. Solving equations. Thank you. This song is about PEMDAS. It's the order of operations. Logistically, your reference to solve the computations. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I entered numbers straight into my palette. Includes a multitude, mathematical operations. Addition, division, exponential equations. Certainly this applies some parentheses. Strikes a calculator due to the building please. Here's what in alpha rational expressions. Systems and solving these mathematical questions. It's the order of operations. Logistically directions to solve the computations. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations. Priority override, control the calculator. Do this first, check the number letter. The second primacy concerns exponents. A power or a root, doesn't matter which it is. Multiply, divide, we go into session. It takes present tense over addition or subtraction. Knowledge of this order makes us smarter than machines. Together we're aware, we can never the fuse. It's the order of operations. Logistically directions to solve the computation. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, it's the order of operations. Logistically directions to solve the computation. It's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations. Thank you. You got a system of equations that needs to be solved with multiple variables that are involved. There's a few different ways to get a deduction for one or no solution. You can run it, plot in a coordinate plane to see where the lines are intersecting. You can substitute a given letter by itself and from the other side of the system shell. You only give inverse to the elimination. Take away the opposite to finish the equation. Sometimes it's gonna need to multiply. 99 times on both sides. Coefficients match up inversely. You have the two equations vertically. Do what you have been of a variable. You solve what's left to the decimal. Then the answer you plug it back in to get the other value of the variable. If solution is true, then they will share the system of equations ordered pair. We can use the subbasis. Put it in the calculator, utilize a matrix. Usually solves a system of equations. Make sure you do the calculations. One, infinite done. One, infinite done. One, infinite done. One, infinite done. Thank you. In physics and mathematics, we utilize waves. Driving disturbance radially propagates. Transferring energy, moving through space. Relocating matter, no needing to phase. The type of direction, behavior of the pulse. Sorts of kind of wave propagation that results if the path is perpendicular. The wave is called transverse. Displaced along the axis, the peaks central dispersed. A parallel direction is longitudinal. Progression and expansion should be movable. We interact with waves every single day. From the sound of the song to the light of the day. Waves! We got the waves! We got the waves! Everybody wave! Waves! We got the waves! We got the waves! Everybody wave! Sinusoidal wave is the simplest form based on the sine function this, the basic norm. The distance from identical points on adjacent waves is called the wavelength. The spacing that it says. Period is the interval of time required for 2 points from 2 different waves to pass along. Therefore, a number of crests that pass a given spot is called a frequency. Is in hertz, not in watts. The measure of a crest to the axis of the x is called the amplitude. The volume that projects. Harmonics are created when combining different signs. The timbre of an instrument developed from these lines. Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave! Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave! When 2 or more waves are traveling through, the algebraic sum is the resultant value. Waves that obey are referred as linear, have separate waves, not linear. With separate waves, combine its interference, creating a new wave, a change in its appearance, an oscillation pattern that doesn't move through space. It's called a standing wave. Different points are in phase. The node is the point where the amplitude's at minimum as a wave rises up. Antinode is at maximum. Most common for these is musical resonance. Trumpet, speaker, box, cause the audience a jazz. Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave! Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave! We got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave! Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave! Hi everybody. This song is about quadratic functions. Parabola! 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 You get the two-shaped graph that will expand infinitely on the right to the left. It's got a base with a power of 2. Symmetric corresponding with an axis U can split in half and take 2 parts. Inversely related vertex that start called H and K. The X and Y, minimum, maximum, the way it flies. Parabola! 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 It's concave up or concave down, depending what the A value starts around. If the magic number of A is 1, the thickness of the base, it stays as done. Each bigger than 1 is a vertical stretch, a flexible value, a vertical compress. The horizontal shift goes left or right. Inverse on equations, X is Y. The vertical shift depends Y value. Directly corresponds with the K can do. Parabola! 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 The imaginary line is a directrix. It lies equidistant from the focus. The nipple in between is the vertex. Perpendicular line is the axis. Parabola is defined as a locus of a point that is always equidistant from a given line. The directrix to a given point. The focus. Parabola! 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 Hey, I tell my students it's parabola. If they pronounce it parabola, I will correct them, but I let them know I'm silently judging them. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 12, 15, 18. 12, 15, 18. 21, 24, 27, 30. 21, 24, 27. Come on. 33, 36, 39, 42. You know the words. 36, 39, 42. 45, 48, 51, 54. 45, 48, 51, 54. 57, 60. Yeah, that's the number. 63, 66, 69, 72. 63, 66, 69, 72. 75, 78, 81, 84. 75, 78, 81, 84. 87, 90. 87, 90. 93, 96, is for. Energy is essential, concept underlying. In science it revolves, lots of multiplying. The fundamental concepts are relatively new. Doesn't outweigh its importance in everything we do. Enough to make store, energy from position. With the high position. Relative to the gravity that's there. That's like 1.8 meters per second. Squared as the name implies. The potential stored state. Held readiness for doing corporate weight. Go! Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy total never changes. The difference is void. Its motion has kinetic energy. The quantity depends on its mass and its speed. In equation form, how the mass is multiplied. Times the speed, which is what quadruple energized. Potential to kinetic, the process of combination. From one form to another is known as conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. The total never changes, the difference is void. A pendulum swinging or exploding galaxy. One amount does not change quantity. Energy! Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy total never changes. The difference is void. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy total never changes. The difference is void. Thank you.
Yeah.
Seven, 14, 21.
7, 14, 21,
5, 42, 49, 56,
28, 35, 42, 49,
56, 63, 70, 77,
56, 63, 70, 77,
84, 91, 98, 105.
84, 91, 98, 105.
Forgot my sevens for a second, y'all. Consequently, that song is 35 seconds long, which is a factor of 7. This isn't quite this date yet. We're getting there, though. Today's my dad's birthday, though. Happy birthday, Dad. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. 3.14159 is the approximation of the number called pi. Originally was defined as a ratio of a circle, circumference, diameter. The number was universal. A rational number never ends over peaks. Used by the Chinese, Babylonian, ancient Greeks. Why cannot be expressed as a simple common fraction? Although you can get close to 22 over 7. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. That's Friday. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Go! 3.14159 is the approximation of the number of pi. Originally was defined as a ratio of a circle, circumference, diameter. The number universal. A rational number never ends over peaks. Used by the Chinese, Babylonian, ancient Greeks. Why cannot be expressed as a simple common fraction? Although you can get close to 22 over 7. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Map it out underneath. Celebrate March 14th. Constant, yeah, constant, yeah. Gonna have me a slice. Talking about an arc sector, get your mind out of the gutter. But seriously, that's Friday, y'all. They sure, and you know what counts as a pie? Pizza's a pie. Pizza is a pie. I got a few songs left.
That's the, give everyone a second now.
Here's a chorus from Boy
on, Nikki. Her favorite type of music is something I've never heard of, but it doesn't sound like fun.
I think it's very fun. It's called nerdcore hip hop. It's
Nerdcore
hip hop. Yes. It's people who identify as nerdy, rapping about the things they love: video games, science fiction, having a hard time meeting romantic partners. You know, it's really catchy and fun.
Losers, in other words.
Well.
Hypotenuse is the sine of theta. The adjacent over hypotenuse is the cosine of theta. The opposite over adjacent is the tangent of theta. And that is the ratio of the right triangular. So is the order of the trigonometric functions. So tells the order of the angle of the junction. Hypotenuse over the opposite is cosecant of theta. Hypotenuse over adjacent is secant of theta. Adjacent over the opposite is cotangent of theta. And those are simple functions of the right triangular. So is the order of the trigonometric functions. So tells the order of the angle of the junction. We use the input functions to find missing angles. It provides the sides of a right triangle. Depending on what we're given, that's the ratio that we use. Correctly follow the order of the function that we choose. So is the order of the trigonometric function. Thank you. My name is Squareroot. I have like 3 songs left. Euclid wants to find the elements in the sky, the triangle properties, the polygon with 3 sides, sum to 180, the 3 angles collide. Which part of a plane is bounded and drawn by straight line segments? It's called a polygon. Depending on the sides determines the name. The shape that has 3 most important to the game. Triangles have many types of properties. All 3 angles summed 180 degrees. A scalene, no sides are equal in strength. If it's isosceles, 2 sides equal in length. Equilateral implies congruency in sides. All 3 angles are the same, equal divides. If a triangle is right, doesn't imply that it's correct. An angle of 90 degrees is included, direct. Euclid wants to find the elements in the sky. Triangle properties, the polygon with 3 sides, sum to 180, the 3 angles collide. We're talking of triangles, there's different types of centers. 3 lines intersecting, concurrent where they enter. Concurrency varies for different many forms. Depending how the lines behave differentiates the norms. Perpendicular bisectors meet at circumcenter. Right angles on their midpoints, concurrency presenter. If lines from 3 vertices are angle bisectors and they meet at end center, the point of its connector. A median is a segment from a vertex to a midpoint of an angle's opposite sides. 3 medians meet at centroid. An altitude is a segment that from the sides. 3 meet at orthocenter. Right angles on their lines. Euclid wants to find the elements in the sky. Triangle properties, the polygon with 3 sides, sum to 180, the 3 angles collide. We call the study of shapes, that of geometry. Specificity on triangles is trigonometry. Sine, cosine, tangent, different ratios from the legs to hypotenuse, right triangular below. I've already covered this functions in another song, yet there are some further uses that need to go along. To find a missing segment from a triangle it isn't right can easily be determined by using the law of sines. The ratio of a side divided by the sine of its corresponding angle is equal to the line. The additional two ratios are equal to each other, creating a proportion that's congruent to another. Euclid wants to find the elements in his guide. The triangle property, the polygon with his eyes, the one and E, the three angles the line. Euclid wants to find the elements in his guide. The triangle properties, the polygon with his eyes, sum to one and E, the three angles the line. Thank you. So, then I have 2 songs left. No, just kidding. This is my last song. This is my last song. My name is MC Squareroot. This song just goes round and round, round and round. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. The geometric data never stops going round. All points are equidistant from the center to the ground. We recognize the shape that of our circle has properties throughout those universal. The distance from the center to a point on the end is called the radius. Doesn't change, doesn't bend. A straight line with 2 points that lie on a circle, referred to as a chord. Diameter is its total. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. A tangent is a line that touches, doesn't pass through the circle at one point, only has a single bay view. Radius is the tangent at its point of contact. It forms a right angle perpendicular artifact. The secant is a line that passes through 2 points. It differs from a chord, no terminating joints. An angle from the center by 2 radii is called a central angle. The arc identified. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. Is congruent, relationship correct. A sector is the area contained in the set. A segment of a circle is a region bounded by a coordinates arc surrounded. Comply if an arc is bigger than 80. The reason major. The smaller ones are minor in this nomenclature. A semicircle's half, not major nor minor. It measures 180 for Texas flatliner. Y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. If you share an endpoint on the edge of a shape, the angle is inscribed at a 2-to-1 rate. The arc is twice as large to the angle correspond. The vertex of the measure to the arc that's beyond. The central angle intercepts an arc of equal length to that of the radius. It's 1 radians, not degrees. Radians are important in trigonometry. 2 pi radians, 360 degrees. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, now you're prepared. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Properties of circles, no need to be scared. Rounded circles, like a bird up in the sky. Rounded circles, like a bird up in the sky. Rounded circles, like a bird up in the sky. Rounded circles, like a bird up in the sky. Thank you, everybody. My name is MC Squareroot. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I have merchandise over there. CDs, shirts, records, coffee cups, calculator watches. And remember, everybody counts in math. Thank you very much.